Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fora here. And as you can see, it is just past 3 p.m. Eastern. So the market is still open here, doing a summary a little early here. What it looks like is we have an exact opposite of what we had yesterday. The Dow, which was up and nicely yesterday, it has reversed those gains completely. And the NASDAQ, which was lower on NVIDIA going lower, is up 190 points. The S&P up 13 here. The Russell lower by 11. If we look at NVIDIA here, again, nice bounce. So as I was saying yesterday, this may end up being a perfect opportunity here. So it's a little early. The markets haven't closed yet. So we may still, if we can get a bit more upside here, actually get a long setup here. If not today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But that's what we're looking for here on NVIDIA. The higher time frames are still aligned. And there's still 51 days to earnings. This is the prior all-time high, so no overhead resistance. The trend is in place beautifully here. Let me just show you the weekly and the monthly, how clean and how strong it is. So that's what we're looking for on NVIDIA here is potential setup to the long side here. So we're going to wait this out, wait to make sure we get an actual buy setup here. And then I'm going to have a look at this and a little closer. So that's what I'm waiting for on NVIDIA.